including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 280 and 283. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Kendall and Will. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Will County and northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kendall County and northeastern Illinois until 10:45 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Joliet, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Lockport, New Lenox, Mokina, Frankfort, Shanahan, Minooka, Ingalls Park, Shorewood, Manhattan, Elwood, Rockdale, Goodings Grove, Crest Hill, Fairmont, and Crystal Lawns, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 247 and 262. Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 148. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 6. This includes University of St. Francis, Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, and Lewis University. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.